Hello everyone, in here, and I'm going to show you how to make one of the best paper planes ever. You can use non-sheet of paper, printer paper, it doesn't matter what the holes, those are going to be not showable. So what you want to do first, fold your paper in half, this way. And make sure it's really good fold. So you have your paper like this. No, I'm gonna fold it. You're gonna fold it in the top part, and like this, on that middle line. But there, make sure it goes like this, so you can fold it all the way down. Now make a crease, just to make sure it's nice and stable. Make a very good crease, as good as possible. So now you're gonna do that to the other side. Make sure it's exactly where that one is too. Here, make another crease. Fold it down. Now those lines should be about the same. Now, you see this big blank spot here? Here. You're gonna fold these, lie that spot on here. So it's like, so if you have your paper, you have to fold it. So it's exactly covering those two. Exactly covering those two. So like that. Now, you're gonna fold it 8 more times. So that's 1, or 7 more times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. And you'll notice that when you'll get in lower and these parts start to open up, these flaps here, for each side. So we'll be putting those down at the end. So that's 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now you should have your paper exactly. Now, these parts, you're gonna fold them down. Now, these, you're gonna fold it like this on your line here. So you're basically gonna fold this onto here, all the way across. Like that. And do the same with the other side. Now you should have a shape that looks like this. Fold it in half. you have this. Make sure these two flaps up here. Use the two flaps that you just made right here. These ones. Make sure they're tucked in when you fold in. Make sure it's all evened up. Now you can go ahead and make a crease in the bottom. There you have it. Now what you want to do is fold it up, and you want to leave it about an inch here. So you want to fold it about there. And then, after you've done that, make sure you make it good. Do the same with the other side. Fold it.